This stock is up more than 2,000%. Can you guess what stock is it? No. It's not an AI stock, but it is in an industry that will be as big as AI.
And I actually think that cybersecurity is going to be just as big as AI.
Companies like Palo Alto Networks and CrowdStrike are making investors tons of money, but they're now priced at insane valuations, with CrowdStrike at a PE ratio of 750 and Palo Alto at 105. In this video, I'm covering a high-growth cybersecurity stock that is dirt cheap. Their clients include NASA, US Army, US Navy, and top semiconductor companies. My name is Mariusz Konieczny, and I have been investing in the stock market full-time since 2009. And from that time to the peak of 2021, I turned $10,000 into $7 million. I'm also the author of 11 books on investing and the founder of microcapexplosions.com. Plurilock Security is a cybersecurity stock that is flying under the radar of most investors. While CrowdStrike and Palo Alto Networks are hitting all-time highs and are trading at very healthy valuations, Plurilock is trading at a fraction of revenues. CrowdStrike revenues $3 billion versus valuation of $93 billion. Palo Alto revenues $8 billion versus valuation $123 billion. Plurilock revenues $70 million versus valuation of only $20 million. This is kind of surprising considering Plurilock has an amazing clientele. In addition to the clients mentioned before, like the US Army and US Navy, Plurilock recently received orders from the Department of National Defense, NASDAQ-listed semiconductor manufacturer, S&P 500 semiconductor company, and US Treasury. Plurilock also made a business deal with CrowdStrike.
CrowdStrike, it in fact is higher today. Interestingly enough, up 3.5%. They have struck a security deal with Pursuant.
Also, some very high-profile individuals recently joined Plurilock's advisory board. For example, Joe Sexton,
making the world a better place in their own way.
A former CrowdStrike board member, joined the advisory board in July 2024. Brian Cunningham,
I was an early senior advisor to Palantir Technologies.
Early advisor to Palantir, also joined Plurilock's advisory board. What's the catch? With all these positive things, there is absolutely no way that a cybersecurity company in a hot cybersecurity industry is trading for a fraction of revenues. There must be something wrong. There must be a catch here. Actually, there are three: secondary exchange, low margins, and a horrible stock chart. Both Palo Alto Networks and CrowdStrike trade on NASDAQ, which is a reputable stock exchange. Plurilock Security is trading on a secondary exchange called TSXV, or Toronto Stock Exchange Venture. This means the Plurilock stock gets very little liquidity and very little awareness. I would say that 99% of US investors do not even know that TSX Venture exists. Also, some brokerages do not give investors access to stocks trading on this exchange. This is a big problem if it never gets resolved. But
do you think that Plurilock's at a stage yet where it would be ready for a NASDAQ listing or an NYSE listing?
I think NASDAQ is probably closer than what people think.
If I were to guess, a NASDAQ uplisting is more likely an event in the second half of 2025. The second catch is low gross profit margins. Just because CrowdStrike is trading for 30 times last year's revenues and Palo Alto for 15 times last year's revenues does not mean that Plurilock should trade for a similar multiple, because Plurilock has much lower gross profit margins. For example, CrowdStrike gross profit margins are 75% and Palo Alto 74%. These margins are absolutely amazing. In 2023, Plurilock's gross profit margins were only 8.31%, and that's because Plurilock's business model is a little bit different. Plurilock is in the VAR and professional services business. VAR stands for Value Added Reseller. In other words, Plurilock resells other companies' cybersecurity products. And also, Plurilock's strategy is to cross-sell professional cybersecurity services, which carry higher margins, to its existing clients. And these professional services are growing really, really fast. Professional services are also increasing overall gross profit margins. And as professional services grow, overall gross profit margins will continue to improve over time. For example, during the first 3 quarters of 2024, gross profit margins increased to 14.21%, which is a huge increase from 8.3% in 2023. Now, while Plurilock should not have CrowdStrike's valuation of 30 times revenues or Palo Alto's 15 times revenues, it should definitely not be trading at 0.3 times revenues. That's just crazy. The third catch is Plurilock's horrible chart. The 5-year chart is a complete nightmare, and 1-year chart looks like a pump and dump. But this is where some deeper due diligence is useful, because you can uncover an investment opportunity that others will miss. On April 1st, 2024, Plurilock started a turnaround or transformation plan. The company ran out of money and a new executive chairman joined the company. He orchestrated a $5.5 million capital injection, which prevented the company from going under. As a result of this, within months, Plurilock's stock went up like a rocket. Unfortunately, exactly 4 months later, the stock price came crashing down because the newly printed shares from the capital injection from 4 months prior became free trading, and there were a lot of sellers quickly booking gains, causing the stock price to decline very fast. Now, the stock chart looks like a horror movie, and this obviously deters some people from buying the stock. Okay, Plurilock stock is cheap, but what are some of the catalysts that can move the stock price higher? Number 1, a NASDAQ listing. The management knows that they have to do it because they will never get respect and proper valuation on TSX Venture, which is the current exchange. Number 2, buyout by a cybersecurity company or a private equity firm. In the cybersecurity space, it is very difficult to get clients. So some cybersecurity companies acquire other cybersecurity companies to gain access to their clients. As you already know, Plurilock has an amazing client list, and the current chairman is not afraid to sell his companies. In his prior deal, he sold HS GovTech to a private equity firm for a premium to the stock price. I used to own the stock of HS GovTech, and I remember the stock was trading for less than 20 cents per share, and boom, they sold it to a private equity firm for 54 cents per share. Number 3, reaching profitability. Right now, Plurilock is not profitable, but
we are laser focused on getting to cash flow break even.
Once they reach profitability, everything will change. In summary, Plurilock Security is a very unknown stock. The company is operating in a very hot industry that is growing, and some believe that it will become as big as AI. While other cybersecurity stocks are reaching all-time highs, Plurilock is trading for a ridiculously low price. With that being said, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like the video, click on the notification button. If you want to get notified about some other investment opportunities before I make videos about them, I suggest you sign up to my email list, and the link to it is in the description below.